Hello guys, we are starting our market analysis here on silver chart, the daily time frame as always. As we can see, Friday we've almost touched to our target over here on the daily time frame, but it failed to take it out and reverse back into the range. So currently we are still looking for bullish price action, as we can see on that bullish leg to the upside. The only thing that we can look for is bullishness. If we have a retracement to the downside, that will be only a chance to position ourselves from better places to the upside. So currently we will be looking at that extreme over here as well as that swing high over here, which is equal highs with those. And later on this week, if we keep on pushing to the upside, we will be aiming for the extremes over here. Later on for the fair value gap extreme over here. For our time frame, as we can see, we have a very clear structure of price retracing back into that fair value gap on the 4-hour time frame. And we are currently looking at it to see if the price will react to the upside or we will keep on pushing to the downside from here. If we keep on pushing to the downside and disrespect the fair value gap, then I will for sure miss the day for trades. But if we keep on respecting it, I'm expecting to see a push to the upside, taking out those highs. With at the moment putting an alarm below edge session lows, waiting for some kind of an SMT below it, and then an aggressive push to the upside, which manipulation should be a very fast one to not disturb the 4-hour picture of the chart. Gold on the daily time frame, same exact thing, very nice aggressive push, closing Friday bullish above those highs over here. At the moment, we've already taken out that extreme over here on the fair value gap. So our next target should be that highs over here. I'm expecting them to be taken out, as well as that order book over here is the closer target in our reach for today. For our time frame, here what we can see is not that clear of a speedy area that the price is reacting from. Clearly, that candle over here is our order book, which should be acting as a support since we closed a bullish candle above it. Our time frame here, I'm again putting an alarm below edge session lows, which I'm quite certain that we won't reach if we are bullish. So currently, if we sweep them with the silver, here I'm expecting a bit of a retracement down to that fair value gap all the book on the daily, the 4-hour and the hourly, and from here to see a push to the upside. So currently marking the edge session lows, but we are expecting to see a sweep by silver and the chance to position ourselves over here for bullish bias. Euro on the daily time frame, as we can see, after that very aggressive push on Wednesday, the last 2 days were kind of consolidating. Still, we are aiming for that fair value gap here, very small one on the daily time frame, to be reached out. So currently, we still look only for bullish price action. As we can see, we had a reaction out of that order book, push to the upside, then the price came back into the range. Currently looking like it's going to sweep all those lows over here and maybe keep on pushing to the upside after that push to the downside. But clearly, as we can see, we've swept the Asia session lows over here, making an SMT with pound, which at the moment still is not taking them out. So clearly we will be looking for positions on pound and see euro as a manipulation pair. We might see even a more expansion to the downside, taking out all those lows before we see a chance to see a push to the upside. So currently we'll be using euro only as a manipulation. And finally, let's check pound, the daily. We keep on pushing to the upside. We currently swept all those highs over here, so we will be looking for that extreme over here, those body candle highs. For our time frame, we can see here a bullish price action, very nice retracement, but by that candle on Friday, testing that fair value gap, sweeping all the lows and respecting the fair value gap. We've opened back into the that one over here, that fair value gap with the weekly open. Price made a very nice reaction. Now we are pushing to the downside, and currently we will be looking for an aggressive push to the upside. As we can see, Asia session is not taken out. Also, that swing low is taken by euro. Here we are still below or above it. We're currently trading into that volume imbalance. So the only thing that we are looking for at the moment is a structure on the 50-minute time frame, and we can take our entry if we see one. That will be it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching.